स्वरूप निरूपण हेतवे सुगर्वे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बादयितं श्री अमृतानंदनाथ सरस्वती श्री गुरु श्री पादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंस शिव सोहं मत्प्रेम मदक्षमरवयों मतों साक्षमरवयीं सौः स्वरूप निरूपण हेतवे सुगर्वे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बादयितं श्री अमृतानंदनाथ सरस्वती श्री गुरु श्री पादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं दशवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तयेत् अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तोपास्महे गणानां त्वा गणपतिं नमामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमस्त्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पद आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिसेतसादनम् ॐ श्रीमन्महागणाधिपतये नमः ध्यायामि। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरदशरथं मे उस्मानीय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरदं सर्वजनं मे वसमानीय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरदं सर्वजनं मे वसमानीय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरदं सर्वजनं मे वसमानीय स्वाहा। श्रीमात्रे नमः। संपत्करी समारूढ़ सिंधुर व्रजसेविता सिंधुरा, not sindhura. Many people, the moment we say sindhura, they only know the sindhuram. They say sindhuram. Sampatkari samarudha sindhura vrajasevita. The Sampatkari Devata has come from the Ankusha of Lalita Parameshwari. But before going to the inner meaning of this line, we should continue the background scenes of before Sampatkari, what happened. And what is actually Sampat? You remember, yesterday we told that Vishukra Vishanga Bhandasura has entered the hearts of deities, demons, and the rest of the jivas in Vayurupa, and then made them Nirvirya. Nirvirya, that means lifeless. This Sampatkari is the deity who is giving back that life to them. Sampat is asset. The assets which have been taken away by Vishukra Vishanga and Bhandasura are given by Sampatkari to them. So now let's go back a little bit. Sukla Shonita. This two combination is called Virya, sperm. And that produces what is called Rasa, the prana, inner prana. And this prana gives 12 assets, Sampat. Whenever we are deprived of any one of these assets, like the Deva Rishi who set an example of what to do. Right now, when I'm losing my job, I'm praying. When things are not working outside, I'm praying. But check ourselves. When any one of these assets, not even taken away, depleting. Are you not checking your bank balance? How often you check your bank balance? Every day? Every week at least? And something goes down? Oh my God, I need to take care. It's going down. Well, why don't you take care of this bank balance, which is described in 12 different assets? Can you note down? What are our 12 assets which we should be careful of? Which nothing in the world should take them away. Vishanga, Vishukra are still there. They're maybe physically in a form, they are dead. But the tattva is always there. The first asset is Kanti. Brightness, liveliness. Kanti. Not in your face, not in your face. Kanti, oh, it's going down. I need to go for a facial. That Kanti is different. You get it back by some golden facial or the Kanti is your eyes will smile. You're always in an incarnation of knowledge. Your face gives this feeling, wow, he's a knowledgeable person. Knowledge, bliss, peace. Kanti Jnana, Ananda Jnana Shanti. These three combined together will come as Kanti. Ananda, Jnana and Shanti, peaceful. The yogis, great saints, Jnana Swarupam. And there, they don't need to give a lecture like me. You go there, you get the answers. Because they are Jnana Swarupam. No action necessary. Mere darshan of them will relieve you all the doubts. That is Jnana Swarupam. So, first asset ourselves should have is Kanti, brightness. Then we should have Utsaha, enthusiasm. Enthusiasm. Suppose you want to go to Tulip Garden in, where is it actually? Netherlands? Somewhere there. Netherlands. Who has been there? Who has seen the tulip gardens in Netherlands? Oh, I'm jealous of you. This is the one which Vishanga has created in the world, jealousy. So once the person goes, I'm not going, it's jealousy, right? So suppose I want to go to Tulip Gardens, eagerly waiting, and I go there. Can you reproduce my face feeling? Any one of you? What will be my... That was my face when I visited Manas Sarovar, first time, almost crying, seeing the Mount Kailash and Manas Sarovar. That's my life dream. This is God's existence. Same thing here. I might have forgotten. I might have been waiting for this life as a cow, as a tiger, as a lizard, as a cockroach. I don't know. Because I didn't know how to express. But in it, Jantunam Naradharma Durlabham. This is the rarest of the rare opportunity. So once I get and once I understand, so how should I be in my life? Wow, I'm a human being. Wow, this is a wonderful opportunity. And of all the creatures, only the human has got the most chances to get realization. Yes or no? Very rarely, one in a million, another jiva can. But but most chances are only for. So you need to be enthusiastic towards life. That's what I say when you get up in the morning. Wow, one more day. Ammal is so graceful. She's giving one more chance for me to complete my homework. Yes? Enthusiastic. Keep the count. I may forget, I'm 67. Ullasa. Happy. Ullasa means joyful. Like a child. Ullasa. And the Ullasa is not connected to the external entities. The Ullasa is inside. Manasollasini. Manasollasini. So when I have that feeling that Mother is in me, and Mother is a Karanananda Vigrahe, that source of bliss, when you keep and you feel in yourself, the Ullasa automatically comes. That is Ullasa. Next is Daya. Daya means Karuna. Is it reminding of any other common, most popular word nowadays? Karuna? That word which has deprived us of this Karuna is Corona. That's where we are missing that compassion. Some people are pushing their family members outside and leaving them and coming inside. The horrible things are happening. So that's when our biggest asset is Karuna. Compassion. Compassion towards everything. And when it goes down, when you feel, I don't want to help that person, immediately Vishanga is acting, one of your asset is depleting. Karuna. Then, Vikasa, development. How was I before? 5 years before, or few weeks before this satsanga started. Am I implementing at least some of this in my life? And I'm seeing a change. Can anybody raise your hand who has seen a dramatic change in their life by implementing what they have learned? Not this satsang, what they have learned from the world. You will see. That's called Vikasa. So as I'm progressing, I need to see a Vikasa, development. Buddhi, intellectual ability. As I'm progressing, I need to have more, clear picture of what I need to do. Young age, like Kartikeya, she will excuse. The boy will learn, but she won't excuse me. At least now you should realize what you want. Buddhi. Buddhi. Then Kala Sakti, interest in fine arts. These fine arts make you finer and finer and finer, tune you finer and finer and finer. Music, dance, poetry. These are the fine arts. Inside the prayer room, I'm saying, Chatushashti Kalamayi. And when you don't have interest in one of the 64 arts, am I doing a real prayer? At least you don't need to dance. You need to be sensitive toward dance, like a peacock towards the weather. The peacock is a guru. Just before the rain, it dances. Are we dancing when the weather is beautiful? What is that obstructing? Anybody danced going outside when it's cloudy, cool breeze is coming, just about to rain, and the wet smell of the earth is coming? The great change in that is Kala Sakti. We are stuck in the walls. There's one wall here, there's body, concrete walls around us. The wall of ego between the persons which affect the reality. So we don't have the Kala Sakti. Kala Sakti is the asset. Then, how many assets we have discussed so far? 5? How many? 7. 5 more. Valor, Parakrama. I should have stability, Parakrama. You know, Parakrama is a very, very good example. Okay, normally you may not go outside. When there is trouble outside, you will not go. Disturbance. But when you have gunmen on your either side, you'll walk with courage. The valor comes because of the inner asset, inner belief that mother is there to protect me. Whatever happens, I'll be ready to face it with courage, not being timid to go towards parihara. Parihara is an escape. If, you go to Navagraha temple, worship Rahu, worship Ketu, worship Sanishwara. I don't mind. But worship them as another form of Lalita with the same love. Are we doing? We are worshipping them as a parihara for our problems which are created mostly by our own self. Husband and wife relationship, go do the Chandi Homa. Do Chandi Homa out of love and work on this relationship. Buddhi gives you that effort, knowledge, and valor is the inner strength. Then Saundarya Drishti, beauty, appreciation of beauty. Shrungara, not Kama. What Vishanga, Vishukra and Bandhatura created is Kama Pralaya. Kama Pralaya. This is, everything is filled with lust and greed. Greed is also a kind of Kama. So, I need to appreciate the beauty, Srungara, but not have an intention to acquire that and keep it in my possession. Daya. That's what I already told. Then Buddhi, Vikasa, Shastra Vijnana. Shastra Vijnana, knowledge about science. The science, they are not talking about physics, metaphysics. How the Srishti, the creation has come. And how I am born. There are 5 kinds of Srishti. Do you know that? 5 kinds of creations. One is Manasa Srishti. Just by mere thought. This is the Shastra Vijnana which is given in the Shastras. Manasa, Brahma Manasa Putra Kashyapa Prajapati, Brahma Manasa Putra Daksha Prajapati, Manasa, mere thought they produced. And this creation is done only for deities. Then Jarayu Srishti, that means creation in a womb. We are all like that. We are created in womb. Andaja, creation from egg. Svedaja, creation from sweat. Udbhuja, creation from sprout. 5 creations. And I've been in one of those creations before. We are all been. This is Shastra Vijnana. Constantly, it may not be used outside, but it should be kept inside. You should have some knowledge about that. Preeti. Preeti means ishta, liking. This is a very good word. Right now, I'm using my mind. I like it. I don't like it. Because I am analyzing these 2 jobs given to me using my mind. But when I know that everything that is given to me is a prasada, an anugraha of Goddess Mother, the preeti should come automatically. I love to work. I love to do what I need to do. That's wrong. What is given to me, I love to do. This preeti, ishta bhava, they say.